Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to track orders from AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders. And now we want to find order that you want to track and click button Track Order, or also it can say View Details. So now your screen should look approximately like this. This screenshot that I have on my screen, this is screenshot of tracking information page where you can see your estimate delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates. So mine screenshot says that shipment is ready for dispatch, but also it can be something like arrived at sorting center, ready for delivery, shipped, etc. But for example, if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by using this button and pasting it to universal tracker like 17 track. This is the name of this tracker. AliExpress suggests me to use this tracker, but also you can use any other trackers because they all work according to similar principle. And if you paste it to that tracker, you can see even more detailed shipping updates. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.